कोरोना पॉजिटिव जो है उसके डिटेल्स के लिए कुछ
कौन सा?
कोई कोरोना पॉजिटिव है ना किसी की फैमिली में,
हाँ,
तो मैं बोला था मैं उनको हॉस्पिटल से नंबर या कुछ डिटेल भेज देता हूँ। आपको भेज दूँ डायरेक्टली या उनको भेजना है?
भेज दो ना, क्योंकि अभी मेरे को एक्चुअल में ध्यान नहीं है क्या
अच्छा।
बात। एंड नाउ एटलीस्ट देयर आर 5 to 6 फैमिलीज जो मेरे ध्यान में है जिसको कोरोना वायरस हुआ है।
ओके।
मीन्स ये टाइम का जो सर्कल है वो बहुत बड़ा हो गया इनफैक्ट।
हाँ, हाँ। ठीक है, भेज देता हूँ आपको। नो इश्यू।
श्योर। क्या था
ठीक है।
एग्जैक्टली ये चीज आप जब बात किया था? आई एम सॉरी, आई
हाँ,
जस्ट वेंट ऑफ माय हेड राइट नाउ।
नहीं, कोई बात कोई दिक्कत नहीं। चलो, भेजता हूँ आप। ठीक है, चलो, गुड लक।
या
वेरी नाइस जॉब। ठीक है,
कोशिश कर रहे हैं सर।
नहीं, ठीक है। कोशिश कोशिश से अक्सर कामयाब हो जाती है। ठीक है।
नहीं, बिकॉज
हाँ,
मेरे मेंटरशिप वाले जो भी मेरे स्टूडेंट्स हैं,
हाँ,
ईयरली जो है,
हाँ,
उनके
हाँ।
लिए मेरे को रखना ही था
हम्म,
एंड उनको मेरे को पुश करना था, तो मैं बोला
हम्म,
क्यों नहीं ये प्रोग्राम सबके लिए रख सकते हैं, लाइक ओके,
हम्म,
इट इज जस्ट अ 20 मिनट्स का थिंग,
या
but it will make some difference to someone, so that's the key thing, like
लेकिन वो 20 मिनट्स के लिए आपको मेहनत भी तो करनी पड़ेगी ना, पहले ऐसा नहीं 20 मिनट में आपको कितनी बोल दिया।
अभी देखो,
तो
हमारे वाइफ को भी खाना बनाने के लिए विच इज जस्ट 20 मिनट्स, उनको 2 घंटे
हाँ,
के ऊपर ऊपर किचन में
हम्म,
टाइम देना पड़ता है, तो फिर
सही
हम
बात।
लोग को क्यों नहीं, वाई शुड बी नॉट, इट इज
यस,
जस्ट अ माइंड सेट, नथिंग एल्स।
यस, यस, एग्री, एग्री।
यस
ठीक है, तो
कुणाल, हाउ
चलो
आर यू?
कंटिन्यू।
हाउ आर थिंग्स एट होम?
Sir, good morning. All
गुड
well.
मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग। कैसे क्या?
All
एवरीबडी
well.
इज फाइन एट होम नाउ?
Yeah, all well, all well. Settled.
बैक होम ना, खाना पीना सब कुछ चालू है, राइट?
हाँ, अभी चालू है, थोड़ा थोड़ा चालू हुआ है।
So your walking is going on
हाँ, ऑफिस full fledged.
full fledged right now. Don't stop it for whatever reason, huh?
नहीं, full fledged चालू है।
Huh, because you have started it and you are doing wonderful. So 21 days gone. So that is the first barrier which you have already broken. Okay. So whatever the momentum is there, you should not leave that momentum for whatever XYZ reason. The reasons will be coming in. Believe me, the reasons will be coming in, and the Murphy law always takes over. But then it is up to us, how do we overcome that Murphy law? Because जो भी होना है वो होके ही रहता है, okay? But what we do in that circumstances, when the things are not in our favor, when the things are not working as per our liking, when the things go haywire, that is when our morning routines helps. Because जो भी करते हैं हम लोग, ओके, वो बाधाएं आती ही रहने वाली है, फॉर श्योर, बट यू हैव टू हैव दैट लायन मेंटालिटी,
Right, sir.
राइट? सो नेवर गिव अप,
Exactly.
ओके, बिकॉज others will try to scare you, others
अच्छी बात
will,
तो सुनने को आ रही। We should not give up. We should
you should
continue.
not
We
give
should
up,
fight that.
you have to fight it out, okay? And once you have set your goals, be behind that for whatever you want. And like I said, it is your why which is very important. Why you want it, that gives a hell of a lot of difference, okay? And that makes the difference. The lion is not the strongest, the tallest amongst the amongst the animals. But still, he is called the king of the animal planet. Why is that so? He is not the strongest. Okay, the elephant is huge. Okay, he is not the smartest. It is called the hyenas are the smartest. The fox is the smartest. But still, lion is called the king of the animal. Why? It is because of his attitude. Because he understands that whenever he roars with all what he's got. The deer is the fastest. Lion is not the fastest, but still he is able to capture. Why? Because of his attitude. While the deer is the fastest, he keeps on looking back, and that reduces the speed, and then the deer become afraid of dying, and that is the opportunity what the lion wants. He's not the fastest, he's not the smartest, he's not the strongest, but his attitude, that makes a hell of a lot of difference. Now think about it. Elephant is stronger than the lion, but the mentality is different. The lion only sees elephant as his food. The elephant thinks lion as the person who is or who could eat him, and that is the mentality, the shift in the mentality. The lion only looks at elephant, however strong he is, but he only sees that it is a food to him. So think what change. It is the mentality of the person who is looking at things. Now, do you want the freedom, or do you want a mediocre life? Your attitude towards your work, your commitment makes the difference. Now you can go through that plus and minus in your life, which everyone needs to go through. But their attitude is the things which is going to change the way it should be. Now, either you can be a lion or be the rest. Because if you are not a lion, that means you do not believe in the freedom. You do not look at things in the right perspective. Your attitude towards the life is okay. And that changes the way your life is designed. Now, if you want to change where you are, you need to change the attitude. You need to become a lion. And that is all what is needed. Now, think about it. If the lion cannot hunt, is he not going to die of hunger? So hunting for the food is important for lion, yes or no? So likewise, designing your life, looking at things in a different perspective, going for what you want and not what and how it is going about, is important for you, because what is going to happen 1 year down the line, 5 years down the line matters. It matters for your family. It matters for yourself, because the children look at us and then they believe that if my papa or mummy is able to do the things which they are saying, I can also do the same. Now we continuously push our children to do better, to perform. But are we performing, or we are underperforming? If that is not the way you want your life to be, design your life for a better future. Work on your design, because that is what is you are given. Not just looking at TV serials, not just gossiping about it. Oh, this has gone bad, this has gone bad. That is going to remain as it is. You cannot change certain things, but you can bypass that, or you can jump over it, rather than just waiting. Okay, no, somebody will remove the stone from the road and I will be going ahead. That is not going to be there. So you have the choice of bypassing or jumping over and not waiting behind. So either you be a lion and live a life of freedom by changing the attitude towards your work, towards your work ethic, towards everything you are doing. And this is the first step towards this morning routine. And I am very happy that we have conquered the first 21 days. And this journey has been wonderful. So it is said that if you do something for 21 days, okay, then it becomes your habit. It becomes your habit. And once that habit continues for 90 days, then it becomes a routine. And when it becomes a routine, then the flow is on a continuous basis. So rather becoming anyone else, have a lion attitude towards life. Live life king size. There can be challenges. There can be ups and downs. But you need to overcome that challenges. You need to work on yourself day in, day out. Now, you can find an excuse for yourself, not a problem. But instead of an excuse, take help. It is okay to ask help. People do not want to ask help because their ego comes into picture. And that is what keeps them behind. And days pass, weeks pass, months pass, years go by, and then you say, यार कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. There is practical no changes. But then who is to be blamed? It is ourselves. Because we are not doing something which has to be done. Now you are unable to get a picture, correct picture. That doesn't mean that you have failed. It only means that you need to look at things in a different way. You need to ask. You need to relearn some things. And that will change the course of that life. That will change the course of how you want to go ahead. Now, everybody goes to a gym as a morning resolution. Now, few of them who are determined to have a better shape, better body, better fitness, better looking good, he will have a personal trainer for themselves. Why is that so? Because even when you are doing your exercise in the gym, it will not give you that extra results which you desire, because you know what you want, but you do not know exactly how it should be achieved. So lion, the attitude, the walk, the roar is what you need for yourself. So have a lion's mentality, have a lion's attitude towards life, towards freedom. And that is what is going to make a difference. I thank you all for coming in once again. 21 days gone by. And this has been a wonderful journey till now. Thank you, Vinodji, for
Thank
being
you,
over
sir.
here. Angelo, Kunal, Nitin, Dr. Vardhan. Love you all. Take care and have a lion's mentality. The ups and downs of the market will continue. Just focus on what you want from that and see the difference.
Exactly.
See the difference.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Take care. Love you all. See you tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very
Bye-bye.
much. Bye-bye.
कोरोना से बचना अभी भी गड़बड़ चालू है.
चालू है.